chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s.
Hello?
Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight.
Are you gonna tone?
Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday, sunny.
I don't even know what triggered that. What? No SBS's.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chester County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Union near Carlisle, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations expected include Monarch Hill, Carlisle, Thundertown, Livingston Center. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Take shelter inside an interior room. If damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall.
This is like everything.
Flooding of drainage ditches in low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or Twitter using hashtag WNSC-FM. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, and Union. Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, and Union.
Elections won't be possible for.
That came out of nowhere.